If you're running a business in 2025 and not using AI, you're not just falling behind. You're actively killing your business. AI isn't just some buzzword anymore. It's here, it's powerful, and it's giving even the smallest businesses the kind of tools that only big corporations could afford just a few years ago. The real question isn't whether AI will change the game. It's whether you're going to take advantage of it or let your competitors race ahead. In this video, we're talking about how AI can help you promote your business in 3 key ways: personalization, automation, and content creation. I'm going to break this down so that by the end of this video, you'll have a strong idea of how AI can help you market your business. I've linked all helpful tools in the description below, so be sure to click on those to sign up for free accounts and exclusive deals. First, let's talk about personalization. And no, I'm not just talking about slapping someone's first name at the top of an email. That's the bare minimum. Personalization today is about giving your audience exactly what they need, exactly when they need it, and on the platforms they actually use. Think about this. When was the last time you opened an email or clicked on an ad that felt like it was made just for you? That's not a coincidence. That's AI working behind the scenes, using your data to figure out what grabs your attention. Businesses that personalize well don't just get more clicks. They build stronger relationships with their customers. People feel understood, and when they feel understood, they buy. So how does AI make that happen? Let's start with timing. AI tools can analyze when your customers are most likely to engage with your content. For example, let's say you've got a customer who always opens emails in the evening. AI can spot that pattern and make sure your next campaign hits their inbox right at the perfect time, not lost in a pile of unread messages from the morning. Timing is everything, and AI helps you nail it every time. It doesn't stop there. AI can also help you group your audience into segments based on what they care about. Say you're running an online shop that sells fitness gear. Some of your customers might be into yoga, while others are focused on weightlifting. AI tools can track their behavior, what they've browsed, what they've bought, and create groups so you can send targeted campaigns that speak directly to their interests. A yoga lover isn't going to care about weightlifting gloves, right? AI makes sure that you're not wasting their time or yours. And then there's predictive content. This is where things get really clever. AI doesn't just look at what someone has done in the past, it predicts what they'll want next. If a customer has been browsing for running shoes, the AI might suggest showing them high-performance socks or a guide to marathon training. It's like having a sales assistant who already knows what the customer is thinking before they even ask. A tool like Intercom's Finn takes all of this and puts it into action. Let's say a customer lands on your website and has a question about a product. Finn steps in and instantly answers their question by pulling from your FAQ or knowledge base, and even follows up later if the customer seems interested but hasn't made a decision yet. If the query is too complicated, it gets handed off to a real human. No wasted time, no lost leads. Another great example is ActiveCampaign's AI-powered email follow-up. This tool collects data from your audience, figures out when they're most active, and sends personalized emails at just the right time. It's all about being smarter with your communication, and these tools make it easy, even if you're not a tech expert. Then there's SendSpark, which is all about creating personalized video messages. Let's say you're trying to close a big sale or keep a new customer engaged. With SendSpark, you can record one video and use their AI to personalize it for every recipient, adding their name or even a custom background like their company logo. It's small touches like these that can turn a generic outreach effort into something that feels personal and thoughtful. Now that we've covered personalization, let's move on to automation. This is where AI really starts to save you time. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by how many things you have to do just to keep your marketing running, sending emails, posting on social media, running ad campaigns, AI automation is your answer. Let's start with lead scoring. If you've got a list of hundreds or even thousands of potential leads, how do you know which ones are worth your time? AI tools can analyze data like website visits, email opens, and purchase history to rank your leads based on how likely they are to convert. This means you can focus your energy on the people who are most interested rather than wasting time chasing dead ends. Campaign optimization is also incredibly helpful. AI tools can monitor your marketing campaigns in real time and adjust them to get better results. For example, if you're running ads on multiple platforms, AI can figure out which one is performing best and shift your budget there automatically. It's like having a marketing strategist on call at all times. One of my favorite examples of AI automation is in keyword research. If you've ever tried to do SEO manually, you know how time-consuming it can be. Tools like Ahrefs now use AI to analyze the intent behind keywords. Let's say you want to rank for best coffee machines. The AI will tell you if people searching for that term are looking for reviews, comparisons, or where to buy. Based on this, it'll suggest the type of content you should create, whether it's a detailed blog post, a product guide, or a landing page. Email marketing automation has also gone to the next level. ActiveCampaign's AI recommended automations let you choose a goal, like increasing newsletter signups or promoting a sale, and it builds an entire workflow for you. It'll even suggest industry-specific actions, so if you're in e-commerce, it might include abandoned cart emails. Once the workflow is built, all you need to do is tweak the content to fit your brand. Finally, let's talk about content creation. This is where most people get a little skeptical about AI. They think, can a machine really write good content? The short answer is yes, but with a catch. AI isn't here to replace your creativity. It's here to help you scale it. Take Jasper, for example. If you're staring at a blank page trying to write a blog post or ad copy, Jasper can generate ideas and drafts based on a simple prompt. It won't be perfect, but it'll give you something to work with, which is usually the hardest part. You can then edit and refine the content to make it truly yours. If you're focused on video content, tools like Opus Clip are a lifesaver. Let's say you've recorded a long webinar or an interview. Instead of spending hours manually editing it into short clips for social media, Opus Clip uses AI to identify the most engaging parts and creates clips automatically. It even adds subtitles and transitions, so your content is ready to post. One of the most impressive things about AI in content creation is how it can take big, complex pieces of content, like a full-length article or video, and break them down into bite-sized pieces. This is perfect for social media, where attention spans are short, but you still want to get your message across. AI tools can help you repurpose content efficiently, so nothing goes to waste. AI isn't just a nice-to-have anymore. It's a must-have for any business looking to stay competitive in 2025. It helps you personalize your marketing, automate repetitive tasks, and create content faster and smarter. And what's great is that these tools are more accessible than ever, so you don't need a massive budget or a tech team to start using them. If you're ready to take your marketing to the next level, check out the tools I've mentioned today and explore more. Most of them offer free trials or affordable plans, so there's no excuse not to give them a go. Which AI tools have you tried before, or do you think could help your business? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.